Harman Kardon Aura Studio 5 Bluetooth speaker unveiled in Japan. A perfect blend of sound, light and design. Harman Kardon has officially unveiled its Aura Studio 5 wireless Bluetooth speaker in Japan, redefining the brand's legacy of blending acoustic performance with artistic design. Set to launch on November 13, 2025, the new model will retail for 46,200 yen, $320 USD. While the product is yet to appear on global Harman Kardon sites, international buyers, particularly in the US, may soon find it available through retailers such as Amazon US. A timeless redesign, the Aura Studio 5 builds upon its predecessor's iconic transparent dome design, now with a softer and more refined look. The new acoustic textile base and undercut edges create a sculptural presence that fits seamlessly into modern interiors. The sleek dome, subtly tinted and illuminated, exudes depth and elegance even before it is powered on, making it as much a statement piece as a sound system. Immersive 360-degree sound experience. At the heart of the Aura Studio 5 lies Harman Kardon's constant sound field technology, engineered to deliver consistent 360-degree sound dispersion. Inside the dome, a three-way speaker system combines a 25mm tweeter, 6 mid-range drivers, and a powerful subwoofer, producing an impressive 160 watts of total output power. The result is a balanced, room-filling soundscape with deep bass, crystal-clear highs, and warm mid-range tones, ensuring that every listener enjoys the same high-quality audio experience from any position in the room. Its frequency response ranges from 45 Hz to 20 kHz, capturing every nuance of your favorite tracks. Light that moves with your mood. For the first time in the Aura series, Harman Kardon introduces customizable ambient lighting. The Aura Studio 5 projects soft, dynamic illumination across walls and ceilings with 5 unique nature-inspired themes: campfire, cherry blossoms, galaxy, harvest, and ripples. Using the Harman Kardon One app, users can adjust colors, lighting patterns, and brightness to create the perfect mood for any setting. Whether you're winding down with tranquil tones or energizing a party, the fusion of sound and light transforms any space into an immersive sensory experience. Smart features and connectivity. Equipped with Bluetooth 5.4, the Aura Studio 5 ensures a stable, high-quality wireless connection for streaming music from smartphones, tablets, or laptops. 2 Aura Studio 5 speakers can also be paired wirelessly for true stereo sound, creating a broader and more cinematic soundstage. In addition to Bluetooth, the speaker features a 3.5mm AUX-in jack for wired connections to various audio sources. Firmware updates, equalizer settings, and lighting controls can all be managed through the Harman Kardon One mobile app. Design and dimensions. The Aura Studio 5 maintains a compact yet substantial form factor. The premium build and attention to visual detail make it not only a powerful audio device, but also a decorative centerpiece that enhances any room's ambience. What's in the box? Harman Kardon Aura Studio 5. Speaker power cable. Up to 3 depending on region. Quick start guide, safety sheet and warranty card, a new standard in audio design. The Harman Kardon Aura Studio 5 perfectly encapsulates the brand's commitment to fusing cutting-edge sound technology with artful design. By uniting 360-degree immersive sound, 160 W of powerful output, and customizable ambient lighting, this new generation of the Aura series elevates both the auditory and visual dimensions of music listening. Whether you're entertaining guests, relaxing after a long day, or simply enjoying your favorite playlist, the Aura Studio 5 turns every moment into an unforgettable multi-sensory experience.